Sunburn got you sizzling? What if I told you that the secret to sun protection could be hiding in your kitchen? That's right, by eating certain plant-based foods, you can give your skin an extra line of defense against those harsh UV rays. Now, before you toss out your sunscreen, this isn't a replacement, but it can be a delicious supplement. Plants are packed with powerful antioxidants and nutrients that can help strengthen your body's natural defenses against sun damage. So let me shed some light on the fascinating science behind how a plant-powered diet can boost your body's innate sunburn defenses from within. Get ready to eat your way to a glowier, more resilient you this summer. First, let's talk about what sunburn really is. Sunburn is essentially an inflammatory reaction to DNA damage in your skin cells. This damage is caused by ultraviolet rays from the sun. There are two main types of UV rays that affect our skin, UVA and UVB. UVB rays are the primary culprits behind sunburn. They directly damage the DNA in your skin cells, leading to that painful, red burn we're all familiar with. Although UVA rays are less intense than UVB rays, they penetrate deeper into the skin. Over time, UVA rays can cause significant damage, leading to premature skin aging, such as wrinkles and a leathery texture. To protect your skin from both types of UV rays, using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher is a must. This kind of sunscreen provides optimal protection against sunburn, premature aging, and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Now that we understand the harmful effects of UV rays and the importance of sunscreen, let's explore how a plant-based diet can further support your skin's natural defense system. These power-packed plants offer additional UV protection benefits that work alongside sunscreen to keep your skin healthy and resilient. Power-packed plants for sun protection. Taking the 5th place for sun protection is the refreshing cucumber. Cucumber, enjoyed worldwide in salads and pickles, is valued in Ayurvedic medicine for preventing skin aging. Known for its cooling and soothing effects, cucumber is often used to relieve sunburn. The fruit is about 96.4% water and contains carbohydrates, protein, fat, and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and iron. Cucumbers are rich in enzymes like proteases and ascorbate oxidases, as well as ascorbic acid. Studies show cucumber seed extracts have strong antioxidant and photoprotective potential. Lutein in cucumber leaves helps inhibit melanin synthesis and reduce tyrosinase expression, offering protection against UVA and UVB radiation. Moving on to number 4 is the versatile carrot. Carrot, a beloved root vegetable, is packed with vitamins A, C, E, K, H, and B group vitamins, along with minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Carrots also contain carotenoids, including beta-carotene, provitamin A, alpha-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and lycopene. These compounds contribute to skin health, with luteolin in carrots helping to prevent photoaging. Carrot seed oil is known for its antioxidant properties and offers SPF protection of 6.92, making it a valuable ingredient in anti-aging cosmetics. Research on red carrots has shown that they contain anthocyanins with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, enhancing their potential to prevent skin aging. Claiming the bronze medal for sun protection is the tasty tomato. Tomato, a versatile vegetable from the nightshade family, is enjoyed worldwide in various dishes. Rich in vitamins C and E, potassium, proteins, carotenoids, lycopene and beta-carotene, and phenolic compounds, tomatoes are a skin protective powerhouse. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant in tomatoes, guards against UV radiation, reduces inflammation, prevents DNA damage, and can decrease the risk of skin tumors. Consuming tomato paste increases skin and plasma carotenoid levels, reducing UV-induced inflammation. Earning the silver medal for sun protection is the superfood kale. Kale, a member of the cruciferous family, has gained massive popularity in recent years. Known as a superfood, kale can be eaten raw, juiced, or cooked. It's packed with phytochemicals, including polyphenol, vitamin C, E, and A, sulforaphane, lutein, and beta-carotene. Sulforaphane in kale offers protection against UV radiation and may prevent skin cancer. Lycopene and lutein, Powerful antioxidants found in kale protect the skin from UV damage, prevent dehydration, and combat premature aging. Regular consumption of kale helps slow down skin aging and reduces skin thinning from UV exposure. A clinical study showed that supplementing with carotenoid-rich kale extract significantly increased dermal carotenoids and improved the collagen I/elastin aging index. This means kale can help prevent collagen degradation and enhance the skin's extracellular matrix, keeping it youthful and resilient. And finally, the gold medal for sun protection goes to the mighty broccoli. Broccoli, a staple in many kitchens, has been enjoyed since ancient Greece and Rome. This green powerhouse is packed with bioactive components such as antioxidants, glucoraphanin, quercetin, camphorol, vitamins C, A, B group, carotenoids, lutein, and minerals, potassium, selenium. Sulforaphane is a key compound in broccoli that helps mitigate the harmful effects of UV radiation and reduce sunburn risk. Other nutrients like lutein and quercetin protect against UV-induced wrinkles and collagen degradation, respectively. Camphorol, with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, further supports sun protection. Plants to be cautious about. While many plants offer protective benefits, some can have the opposite effect due to their furocoumarin content. Furocoumarins can make your skin hypersensitive to the sun, leading to a reaction called phytophotodermatitis. This condition increases your risk of sunburn and causes an itchy, burning rash. Examples of furocoumarin-rich foods include citrus fruits like limes, grapefruits, or lemons, celery, parsley, figs, dill, fennel, lovage. The severity of the reaction depends on the amount of furocoumarins consumed, skin sensitivity, and UV exposure. If you're concerned about sun sensitivity, it's best to avoid these foods for several hours before sun exposure or wash exposed skin thoroughly after handling them. Conclusion: incorporating these nutrient-rich plants into your diet can enhance your skin's natural defense against UV damage and sunburn. While sunscreen remains essential, a diet filled with broccoli, kale, cucumber, tomatoes, and carrots can offer additional protection and promote overall skin health. Stay safe, enjoy the sun responsibly, and let your diet work alongside your sunscreen to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Stay healthy.